Sikkim Project Impact of Art and Culture on Travel and Tourism of Sikkim. Acknowledgement. We would like to express our special thanks to our teacher, Mrs. Dash. यहाँ आप अपने टीचर का नाम लिखेंगे. Who gave us the golden opportunity to do this wonderful project on the topic of the impact of art and culture on travel and tourism of Sikkim, which also helped us in doing a lot of research, and we came through many new things. Index: Sikkim culture, Sikkim art and craft. Sikkim culture. Culture is the art of living. The people of Sikkim are more commonly known as Sikkimis. The prehistoric times of the state of Sikkim was occupied by three tribes, namely Naong, Chang, and the Mon. But however, they were soon overtaken by the groups of people who were mainly from neighboring country, namely the Lepcha, who belonged to the clan of Nagas. Soon, Sikkim had three groups of major tribal people, namely the Lepcha, who migrated from Tibet, the Bhutias, who are the descendants of Buddhists from Tibet, and finally the Nepalis from Nepal, and they are the descendants of Hindus. The majority of people living here in Sikkim are Hindus, which is nearly 60.9%, and Buddhism religion is followed by at least 28.1% of the total population. The Lepcha tribes were mostly converted to Christians after the British missionaries who came during the 19th century. Due to majority of population having migrated into the state from neighboring country Nepal, the people of Sikkim are more of Nepali ethnic in origin. It was Lepcha's group of people who were the original occupants of the state even before the entry of Bhutias and Nepalis. The Lepchas live in the central part of Sikkim and they speak the tribal language Lepcha, which is not very common among the other groups of people. They are very good at archery. The northern part of Sikkim is mostly occupied by Bhutias who migrated from Tibet during the late 15th century. Sikkim has its religion incorporated with Bhutias. The Sikkimese language is spoken by Bhutias. It was much later, after the entry of Lepchas and Bhutias, the Nepalis came into the state and now they form the most dominant community in the state. The Nepalis are subdivided into various castes and tribes like Bawans, Brahmins, Kshetris, Gurungs, Tamangs, Rais, Limbas, Magars, Damais, Kamis, etc. The majority of Nepalis who migrated to Sikkim follow the some religion of Hinduism. Some of the other migrant resident communities dwelling in South Sikkim and Gangtok are the Biharis, Bengalis, and the Marwadis. Culture. The people of Sikkim have a rich cultural heritage with a homogeneous blend of different religion, customs, and traditions of different communities of people living. Apart from traditional Sikkimese language and the tribal languages, the people of Sikkim also speak other languages like Hindi and English. They are generally categorized as warm and friendly in nature, for even in spite of different communities occupying the state, they still live in peace and harmony. Even small festivals are celebrated with great enthusiasm and devotion. There are social or religious gatherings or celebrations which cannot miss out the music and dance of people of Sikkim. Sikkim art and craft. Sikkim is renowned for its dazzling and appealing beauty. The charm of this state is ever enticing and no one can abstain from its allure. In fact, Sikkim is resplendent with not only its natural beauty but also its art and craft too. The cultural richness of Sikkim is visible in its quality handicrafts. The government of Sikkim is making constant efforts to keep the art and crafts alive. Keeping the idea in mind, the government has established Handicraft and Handloom Institute to preserve and promote traditional cottage art and craft of genuine Sikkim design. The institution is a reservoir of eye catching handicraft and handlooms like carpets, wood carved furniture, thankas, and canvas wall hangings. Sikkimese carpets are especially known for being hand knotted with artistic designs. The handicrafts of Sikkim has a kind of appeal in them, whether it is fantastic woven carpet or amazing choksai table. Everything is just wonderful. People from India as well as abroad stroll the markets to grab hold of crafts of Sikkim. In following lines, we have tried to give a glimpse of Sikkimese handicrafts. Carpet weaving. Sikkimese practice of weaving is probably the oldest form of carpet weaving in the world. The women of Bhutia community are said to be expert carpet weavers. The traditional pattern of weaving requires a frame loom. The exclusive manner of weaving by hard-working artisans of Sikkim appears in designs of striking carpets. The wood carving of Sikkim is symbol of true art of India. Throughout Sikkim, one can trace monasteries and buildings festooned with symbols and icons carved in wood. The masked dance of Sikkim is also portrayed in wooden carvings. You can find superb masks made out of wood and papier mache. Thangka paintings. Thangka paintings are unique to the state of Sikkim. Initially, these paintings were the only medium to preach highest ideas and ideals of Buddhism. Thangkas are usually made on cotton canvas with a frame of silk. These paintings portray images of different gods, goddesses, and philosophies related to Buddhism. Originally, paintings were made by priests and monks. Later, the skills got passed from the generation to generation. Today, commercialization of this art is helping monasteries and practitioners to earn a living. Handicrafts. The native Sikkimese weaves various striking designs and patterns. They weave woolen blankets, bags, shawls, and jackets with the reflection of their mastery over the art. The thankas, traditional tapestry, leatherworks, dolls, multicolored apik work, batiks, a fine collection of dolls, and a range of fashionable garments are the additional specialties of Sikkim. To develop and promote such industries, government has established an institute of cottage industries. The local handicrafts are available here on sale.